how him deal with her. Look how him deal with Andrine. This is a different Andrine. Listen, let me tell you something. Justice I go serve. You hear me? Justice I go serve. You know why justice I go serve? Him put the mother where she's supposed to be. You understand? Him lift up the mother. The mother was broken. She needs somebody to lift her up, for rise her up, and surprise rise her up. Listen, him just rise the warrior in her. All this lady need was somebody to come and rise her up. You understand? Not tear her down. All her life she's been broken. See how family treat her. She want people to come against her and be the shoulder she can lean on. Listen tonight, surprise. Surprise me as a woman. I look on you tonight and tell you, surprise, good job, well done job. You hear me? Anybody who hold a broken lady and lift her up, listen, me I go come out here and applaud you. Surprise, you did a great job. Look how Andrine look on this, guys. Look. Let me show you something, guys. Look how Andrine look. Andrine look like a whole different person. You hear me? Let me show you. Let me show you something. Come on, Andrine. Turn around. I'm going to take the picture and show you. This. Andrine, you look like a whole different lady. Look at this beautiful queen. Look at this beautiful queen. Look at this beautiful queen. Them try to break her. Them try to tear her. But God rise her back. You hear me? No matter what you do to a person, as long as God loves that person, God will go rise her in front of her enemies. God are going to make our enemies our footstool. And this God will do right now. God use surprise for rise her back up. Want to see who God use? God use surprise for rise this lady up. For rise back this queen up. Listen, Andrine, me know you're going to get justice for your son. I see a light on you today. I see a light. I see a light on you today. When I look on this, I see a different Andrine. I see a warrior in you today. Listen, Andrine. You're glow, Andrine. Listen, it only take a man who have the passion like surprise. Surprise, you step up to the player. Surprise, you step up to the player and you do an amazing job. Surprise, I am so very, 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 very proud of you, Surprise. Surprise, you come out and you're short. Surprise. Surprise, I couldn't believe, say, you go and deal with Andrine like this, man. Look how you deal with her. I see a glow upon this woman's face, guys. Guys, justice is coming. They try to tear her down. Them say she a crackhead. She a junkie. But today, you know what I see in her? You know what I see right here? I see a beautiful queen. I see a warrior. I see a warrior. I see a beautiful queen. Any name wanna give her, God erase that today. Any name wanna give her, and every tongue that come up against her, we condemn it today. You see how God can turn around somebody's life? You see how God can use one person to turn around our life? When everybody have all the worst things to say about her, you see how God can work in mischievous way? Who would have tell the Surprise would have go and deal with her like that? Oh, we're going to talk the truth. I never believe. But you see, surprise me. Him name really fit him. him surprise me. You hear me? I never believed that surprise would have go out and transform Andre into a masterpiece. That is why we need not to underestimate people. I never knew that surprise would have go out and turn this lady in this masterpiece. Listen, I can't wait for the march tomorrow. Guys, I feel sick. Guys, but you see, when it come on to Jayden, I can't be sick. I have to get up and go for Jayden. Guys, YouTube, may I ask for like up the live, guys. Like up the live, YouTube. May I ask guys, for like up the live. Guys, let me tell you something. The family, they think say them could have do this to Jayden and get where. Wanna get her for 9 months. Wanna might get her for a year, you know. But me I telling you something. Justice I go serve. Justice will serve. Because wanna think wanna get where. But the Most High said no, wanna get where. You think say the bloggers them will come out here, just come out because they want to come out, and the Most High send us out here. Because the Most High know said Jayden never da go have no family. The Most High know said Jayden family was going to feel him. See, now no I said the whole of the family feel Jayden. Jayden mama side of family feel him. Jayden dirty breed father, brother, everybody over that the side there. When no what happened to Jayden, feel Jayden. Me feel say everybody in the yard there. From Jayden, Papa Chica to the brother. Every single one of them know what happened to Jayden. Every single one of them know what happened to Jayden. Jayden brother know what happened to him. Jayden Papa were drunk every single day know what happened to him. Every single one of them were each up in the yard there. Know what happened to Jayden. 9 months and none of them not take part in a no march. None of them not go police station. None of them not do nothing to find Jayden. The whole of them lock, stock and barrel over the yard. They know exactly what happened to Jayden. Listen, look how much of them it take to bring down a little boy. Make us count how money it take for bring down one little baby. That for sure is a Jayden is not no ordinary child. Normally take one person for do what them do to Jayden. Look how many of them it take for do to Jayden. Listen, every single one of them I go suffer. Every single one of them I go suffer. Listen, people, whoever I worship the Most High, may I ask you know, we are going to go. Me, I going to do it. Next week, Wednesday, every single one of we I go pan fasting over here. Every single one of we I go pan fasting over here. If 100 of uno over here, the whole 100 of we are going to fasting. No food the Wednesday. No food, no water. Whole day from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. I will not talk about it no more. The whole of way. Listen, a time now for me make the Most High work. Time now. No food. If 100 away, we are going for the one thing, Jayden Smith. The whole day, we are reach out, cry out to the Most High. Next Wednesday, not talking, we not in a. Every plate put down. Anyhow, you say you want justice for Jayden, a long time we for do it. A long time we for do this. A long time we for put down the plate, the drinks, and go out for Jayden. We are going to do a whole day of fasting. Me not touch nothing. And we are going down for we knee. If I in your break room, go for your break time, go pray. If it's in your house, go somewhere, go pray. If you out to do a work, pray when you are work. No drinking, no eating. We're going to show them, say the Most High, I going to work this out for Jayden. Listen, we are going to move the mountain now. After the march, Let's pray and move this mountain. Every single one of them forget lock up. Every single one of them forget lock up. Let's count how much of them in this. The long neck girl, the lazy boy, the Cami, the Rumpel, that are the Rumian, Mr. T, Chico, that are Jayden Poopa, the brother will live on her backyard, we forgot film name, the old dirty principal, who else we forgot? That are 8 we gone so far. Who else we forgot, guys? Give me the name there. These are 8 of them. It takes for bring down one baby. And 8 people. If I mess up some name, give me the name them, guys. Yahweh, help me and see if I get the name them right. Me know say the long neck girl I want.